Hey guys, I hope everybody had a lovely Easter weekend to those who celebrate. Let's talk about what is happening in the market right now. So, last week, most of the market ended as an inside week. And if you don't know what an inside week is, it means last week's candle, the high and the low fit completely inside the previous candle's range. So we had an inside week on ES, inside week on NQ, inside week on RTY, inside week on YM. So we knew that last week was not really ideal for trading because we were an inside week. And that's what we call chop shop. So what happened this morning is we got what we call in the Strat a simultaneous break on the weekly time frame. And we're going to go into the lower time frames too, because there was also simultaneous breaks on the daily overnight. But what a simultaneous break is and what it means, it's very simple. It sounds exactly like what it is. And I explain it as a bunch of things, right? Doing the same thing, so triggering the week down at the same time. That is a simultaneous break. So pretty hard to turn that around. And if you look here, this is our new scanner that we are about to send out to the test group, hopefully today. But if you look down here at these stats, you'll see NASDAQ, 91% of the stocks in the NASDAQ are a 2 down. So we have market-wide simultaneous breaks to the downside happening. If you look at S&P, 86% are 2 down. So pretty hard to turn that around, right? Okay, so then if you go into the daily, overnight, we also had simultaneous breaks. So ES ended Thursday's trading. Thursday was the last day of the week because market was closed for Good Friday. Inside day, inside day, inside day, not an inside day. But what you'll notice is they all broke Thursday's low overnight. So that is a simultaneous daily actionable signal. And what we do is we couple our daily actionable signals and we say, if this triggers and hits target, what will that create, negate, or do? And what that will do is trigger the week. And that is what has happened today. So we have a whole bunch of red right now in the market. Again, going to be pretty hard to turn this around. We talk about turnaround Tuesdays a lot as well. Oh, we also had a 60-minute simultaneous break today. Let me show you guys that. So we had a bunch of shooters on this candle. Now, we were in from earlier, but I'm just showing you on the 60-minute time frame the simultaneous break. So you had an inside 60 here that went 2 down. This was the noon and 1 o'clock candle. Noon, 1 o'clock candle, so simultaneous 60. This is not an inside 60, but it is a shooter 60. This is the noon candle. This is the 1 o'clock candle. 2 down, inside 2 down. So we had another simultaneous break. So we've got simultaneous breaks all over the place, and we love them. They tell us who's in charge. Everybody's doing the same thing at the same time, so we hit it. And this, again, we are inside week and down, and it's going to be pretty hard to turn this around. We are very unlikely to have any kind of turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. We are likely to continue 2 down. And if that happens, what is your target on the week? Your target is to take out the 4-7 low. So 2 weeks ago, the low, that big Trump tweet and crazy rally that you all remember, I'm sure. And then let's just, for fun, look at SPY as well. So we've been talking a lot about the outside year target being 466.43 for SPY. And what here, we'll show you the yearly candle. So this yearly candle, it has started and it's just like 2022. So we ticked up just a little bit, change continuity. started coming back through. We were looking to go outside year, which we did do. So that's kind of what we are anticipating for this year as well. They ticked up, failed, changed continuity, started coming back through, reclaiming this candle's range. So we are looking to go take out 2024 low. So with that being said, and having the year in force, well, the potential 3 and red continuity on the year, quarter, month, week, day, we have full time frame continuity to the downside. So this is your way back in to target outside year magnitude. Now it might, I don't know if we're going to hit this low this week. It might take 2 weeks, but even still, if you got in on the inside week and down, as long as you keep 2 and down on the weeks, it's still good, and you got back in to target that outside year. I don't think, let me look. Qs, same thing. Potential outside year target. This is not a trigger anymore. It is a outside year target. So again, simultaneous, everything's doing the same thing at the same time. IWM already took out 2024 lows and is looking to come down here, 160, 167. They made a slight higher high back there. We had a new all-time high, and then they start coming back in. Dow also triggered the year. But we also know that higher time frame triggers, like this yearly one here, they're lower time frame targets. So little corrective activity at the yearly trigger. Now a reconfirming to re-trigger the year. So inside week, this might be a 2 up actually. Yeah, this one is a slight 2 up. So a 2 up, 2 down reversal. And if that works, that hits your magnitude and re-triggers the year. So everything's still looking pretty bearish. And that is all I wanted to pop in and say. And be on the lookout soon. We're gonna have our scanner coming out soon. We got to give it to the test group people, and then after we get their feedback, we will put it out to you guys. So anyway, hope you had a good day. Hope you're on the right side of the market. And remember, we trade what we know to be true. We trade what we see. We don't guess. And that's how you stay safe. All right. I'll talk to you guys next time.